I'll cue. You just react. Don't plan this thing because you're planning this thing.
Okay, someone just
Yeah.
say it how I say it.
No. So what I want you to do is, what is she saying?
Basically, that she's disappointed.
Okay. So how do you feel when you how do you feel when you're disappointed? So okay. Okay. So you don't want to disappoint her. So let's create that. You don't want to disappoint her. This is your role. The following clip was one of the students in my acting course. Basically, me being a director of a film, what I want to do is I want to see emotions. Basically, what happened in this clip is I wanted to help her to come to that point where she wants to break or where she wants to get into that character. So she is about to tell her mom, look, I'm pregnant, mom. Please don't judge. Please, look, I've got nobody. He doesn't want me, but I've got his baby. So it's difficult for an actor if they don't know the emotions. So there's few techniques on how to help the actors getting into that emotion. What I'm trying to do is let her feel the emotion. Have a look. This is I'm actually glad I got this in camera. Have a look what happened, especially around the mouth, how she can get in and out the character. Have a look. Okay, I don't want to disappoint my mother. I mean, she's been, my dad died. My dad died. She's the only one, and only one brings food. Now I'm going to bring a child in this life, and I don't have any money, and I want to make her proud. Now she's not proud. I want that feelings all the time. So I want you to. So right here, I'm trying to go into like this whole victim. I'm trying to play victim here, just so that she can feel like the pain or like the disappointment. Like, what have I done?
How did you let that happen, Sarah?
I'm sorry. If I could fix it, I would.
You can't fix that, Sarah. I didn't raise you that way.
So I'm trying to whisper. It's a technique that I've used a lot of times. When I whisper, it's more important to the actor, and I'm not trying to take the other actor that is basically standing there. I don't want her to know what I'm saying, because now the question is, what is he saying to her? Like, what's happening? Now she gets into the whole scene, the whole emotional scene. So it's a technique that I use. It's for me, it's on a psychological point of view. Even when I did the Gebore Talente, I've done it with one of the actors. His name was Renier. He struggled a bit in one of the scenes. I called him to the side and I said to a few things, really emotional things. But I say to them, when I say this, you are not. I'm not allowing you to break. Don't break into tears. Don't break into anger, because once you're in an emotional state, there's two ways you can go. You can go either up, which is cry and emotional. You go down, which is anger. A lot of people, when they are upset, they either go into a defense mode, which is like the anger. They go into the outburst of anger, or they go cry and go inside, like retract. So basically what I need to do is I need to push them to a point where they break, but I'm saying, no, you're not supposed to break. Keep it in. One of the techniques is like open up your, there's a lot of techniques. Okay. Don't look down, because down is escape. I want you to look. I want you to see the pain in her eyes. So don't look down. At that point when she looked down, she was out of the character. She's smiling now. She's not. That's not the character. The character is disappointing. She's escaping her character. She's got out of the character now. Flow with it.
Okay.
Flow with it.
Okay.
So this is called I told you guys about reacting there. Okay. So basically this is a few techniques that is part of the acting course. The course is only the 5-week course, and then the 5th week we're shooting a short film. For me, that's one of the most best experiences that you can have as a human being, as being part of something like that. What do you learn? You learn about your own character, you learn about your own emotions, you get maturity in yourself. A lot of the acting students come to me on the 4th week and says that their lives have completely changed. They're confident more, they can express their feelings a lot more, they're a lot more mature as an actor. So I really encourage you, if you want to be an actor, if you want to be going into this movie industry, remember that being an actor yes, it is about techniques and that's the understanding, but it's more got to do with the psychology behind it, techniques. If I put techniques and the psychology at the back end as a foundation, you are going to be one of the best actors ever, because your emotions is like a muscle. If I can train you how to use that muscle, the techniques are going to be a lot easier. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you like this video, put a thumbs up. If you like this video, please subscribe. I really would do appreciate it. And if there's any questions regarding this, please drop a comment below and I'm going to do my best to answer that. Have a good one. Cheers. Try for your knees. Guys, don't be so hard on you. Don't be so... Yeah, hard on you. Don't... Yeah. Okay.